What is up, social mafia? In this video we're gonna talk about new Instagram updates in June 2020, and let's dive into it. Guys, this is Tatiana. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell button to not miss any of my videos. And of course, also don't forget to follow my social mafia Instagram account, the new Instagram account that I created, where I'm sharing even more tips and tricks about Instagram marketing. Guys, I already made a video on the topic of Instagram big updates. You can check it right here. I'm also gonna leave the link in the description box, but there are some changes actually since I published this video. So in this video I want to talk with you about the newest updates and the newest features rolled out by Instagram. But the first thing that I really want to make sure you are aware of is about IGTV monetization. In this video right here, I was talking about eligibility of monetization process on Instagram, how it works. I guide you through the whole monetization process, how to set up monetization for Instagram and to check if you're eligible. Actually, I'm not sure I pronounced this word correctly. Let me ask the Google. I still need to find Google Translate. All right, so I need to find the word eligible. Eligible. All right, so I hope I pronounced this word correctly. Eligible for monetization. However, there are some sad news that actually Instagram is gonna provide this feature for monetization for those accounts who are eligible only in 2021. For now, this type of monetization is available only to specific creators that I guess Instagram is choosing themselves. Anyway, the thing is, we are not able to apply for monetization, unfortunately, which was, by the time when I made this video, it was actually possible, but right now it's not possible anymore. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this YouTube channel about when the monetization process is gonna be open for everyone. All right, and let's dive into the new Instagram updates. And really coolest thing that Instagram recently rolled out is a new sticker, DM. Guys, I always tell you that it's really important to use Instagram stickers in order to engage with your audience in your Instagram stories, and because they frequently roll out new stickers for us guys to communicate with the audience. And what I see about DM is it's just really cool, and I already talked about that direct messaging, the most valuable engagement type for Instagram algorithm. You'll notice that if you communicate in direct messages with certain people all the time, that you see their stories number one, and they see your stories number one as well, and then you see their posts popping up and your post popping up at their Instagram account, because you communicate frequently with each other. That is why it's really important to keep in touch on the direct level with your audience, and that's why I think like direct messaging sticker is really amazing. I find it also very useful to use for Instagram's accounts, especially under 10K, for whom it's not possible to attach links to a specific source, whether it's YouTube videos or your website or any other source that you want your audience to click on, which is pretty annoying. But anyway, I feel like DM messages can be a great solution for that, because you can publish a sneak peek or some useful information and say, hey, if you want to get a link, DM me, and then you put a sticker, and then you can send the link right to the person who really want to watch it. And then first of all, you can send the link that you want your audience to watch, and second of all, you can start the private conversation in direct messaging with your audience, which I feel is super cool. So guys, go ahead and try the sticker. The number 2 update is chat rooms. Many people say that this chat room is gonna substitute for Zoom. However, I don't really agree with that, because Zoom is anyway, it's a professional platform, and chat room is not yet there at this level to substitute Zoom, and it does not have the same amount of tools that Zoom offers you. So anyway, I don't think it's gonna be a substitution, but it's a really great solution to do a private conferences, to do private chats, or to share to a specific audience about a specific topic. It's a great way to communicate with your audience if you don't want, for example, to do a live for everyone, but you want just certain people to participate in this. You can even monetize it and do like a webinar via this type of calls. But anyway, still there is no possibility to share the like presentation, which I feel is like it still cannot be a substitution for Zoom yet, but maybe of course in future they will upgrade it, and we can use absolutely for free chat rooms instead of Zoom. Because in Zoom you have to pay in order to host more than one person for more than 1 hour, something like this. Let me show you how it works, and I'm also going to share with you a couple tricks how you can motivate your audience to participate in your chat room and to not miss this actual call. So alright, we have to go here in direct messaging and then go ahead and click phone call or video call. Go ahead and create chat room. You will have to connect with your Instagram Messenger because this thing is done for Instagram messaging. I'm just going to invite myself and then go ahead and send. So just copy link, and you can share this link actually to as many people as you want, by email, by any kind of scheduling platforms, Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or stuff like this. Yeah, and basically, so once you can, you know, I'll just start, and then I'll pretend that I'm going to be connected, and here we go. That's how it works, and we can actually see the chat, and then we can use some effects, invite them for the call, mute them. So basically it's more or less works as any other video calling platform. The other trick that I want to share with you is using the countdown. So I'm just gonna hit a picture. I'll just make it the solid background. Here we go. And here I want to put the countdown thing, a sticker, and let's say chat call, and then let's say it's going to be this date, okay, 21, and then yes, all right. And then so once you publish this sticker, let's share it, and then all right, so I just want to show you how the sticker works, and then you can on this thing, on this little air thing, and then you just can set remind me. But you, of course, not so many people know about this. If you guys are organizing this chat room and you want people to set reminders to not miss your call, you can tell them to turn the notification on the countdown sticker, and maybe even show how to do that, because not so many people actually get how it works. These are all the news for June 2020, and of course I always keep you guys updated about the coolest features on Instagram. Of course there are some other stuff that rolled out, but I don't feel like super interesting for you to learn. These are the most useful information, the most useful things that I want to share with you, and I want you guys to utilize it within the Instagram platform. Alright guys, that was it for today. I hope this video was useful for you, and if there is any topics or questions for my future videos, make sure to write it below in the comments, because I create content based on your requests.